This is me again, Jane, and your trusted visa consultant of Big Cert Education and Visa. And this afternoon, I am happy to introduce to you, in collaboration of Leap GB Philippines, I am with Sir Christopher Garciano, Business Development Manager of Leap GB Philippines. Ayan, hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Ayan. So, for this afternoon, we are just so excited to share with you what is it like studying in Ireland. So, Sir Chris, bakit nga ba best time to apply in Ireland at the moment?
Well, at the moment, ngayon, most Filipinos gusto nilang mag-Europe. And one of the best country na ina-apply nila ng student visa is yung Europe. So, the best time to apply for student visa is 4 to 6 months before sa intake ninyo. So, sa Ireland, ma'am, some of our partner schools, yung intake nila is September intake. Right? So, every year. So, next year, meron tayong September intake 2027. So, ayan. And,
okay. So, yeah, so I think thank you so much for that, Sir Chris. So ayan, to all our aspiring Filipino students, it is best time to apply now kasi of course we still have to do like 4 to 5 months processing for the documents. So aside from that, Sir Chris, what are the most commonly applied or enrolled to programs, Because of course all our Filipino students would like to know what are the available programs for them.
Yes. So in Ireland, one of the best courses or course na dapat kunin ng mga Filipinos is yung mga in-demand. After graduation nila, pwede silang mag-apply ng trabaho sa mga companies doon sa Ireland. So first is information technology, and the second is data analytics, artificial intelligence also, and cybersecurity, business, engineering, healthcare, and finance. So these programs are one of the best program na dapat kunin ng mga international students para mas malaki yung chance na makapaghanap sila ng trabaho doon after study.
Okay, so ibig pong sabihin is parang benefit po ng international students. So parang part-time job while they are studying. Yes. Ayan, so thank you so much for that, Sir Chris. So also, Sir Chris, just to help them decide as well, sa mga aspiring Filipino students natin, ano ba yung mga qualifications or what type of students are we looking for? Or meron ba tayong age limit?
That's a good question. So, in Ireland, there is no official age limit actually for applying for student visa. As long as you met the admission requirements and the genuine demonstration of your intention, like bakit ka mag-aaral sa Ireland, right? So you can apply like if ever meron ka ng requirements, dapat kasi kunin natin yung offer letter muna. So dapat ma-enroll muna tayo. So dapat meron kang passport, yung academic documents mo, meron kang resume, tapos meron ka ding SOP, and then English test if needed, no? That's right. So these are one of the initial requirements para makapag-request tayo ng offer letter sa napili natin na school.
Ayan. So thank you so much, Sir Chris, for giving us enough information as well to all our nangangarap na mga estudyante to study in Europe, specifically in Ireland. So, guys, what are you waiting for? Apply now. Visit our official Facebook page, Big Cert Education and Visa, or to our website, www.bigcerteducationvisa.com. Let's talk and apply now because your success is our success.